So last class we have done with 5 questions. You have finished these 5 questions, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, we done the first one, not the.
Okay, then do the second one. Find the number of terms. That means n you have to calculate. For finding n, you have to find the position of the last number. This last term's position you have to calculate. So this is considered as an. This is a. Find difference and substitute in the formula to get the value of n. What was the answer you got?
Ma'am, is it 27?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Maintenance.
Um, um, ma'am,
Got the answer?
Ma'am, sixth one.
Yeah,
It's not a part, ma'am.
it is not. Okay. Seventh one. Others, are you getting the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are doing now?
7th.
Seventh one, there are two APs. Eleventh term is 38. That means A11 is equal to 38. The 16th term is 73. So 11th term means A plus 10D is equal to 38. 16th term means A plus 15D is equal to 73. Then subtract two equations to get the value of D. A plus 15D is equal to 73. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Will you get the answer? 5D is equal to 35. So D is equal to 7. And at D is 7, find A value. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. That is 32 minus. A is minus 32. And then find 31st term. A31 is equal to A plus 30D minus 32 plus 210. That's 178.
Ma'am, 8th one is at 64.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, what's the eighth answer?
What you got?
64.
64, right.
Oh,
The AP consists of 50 terms. Third term is 12. That means A3 is 12. And the last term. So last term means 50th term because 50 terms are there. So last term means 50th term. A50 is equal to 106.
Ma'am, 8 one is 64.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is 9th what 5?
Yes, right. Fifth term.
Ma'am, 10th one D is 1.
Tenth one B is one, right?
Ninth one is the answer 5.
Yes, ninth is fifth term.
One.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, 9th one is 5th one, no?
Yeah, fifth term, right?
Ma'am, how do you spell the 10th one?
17th term of an AP exits 10th term. 17th term means
A17, that's equal to A plus 16B.
A17 means A 17th term is A17 is equal to A10 plus 7.
Okay, so then,
Substitute in the formula.
okay.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, right.
I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how to do the 11th one, ma'am?
Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So first find out 54th term, then add 132. So that is the term. So find the position of that term. You need a term which is 132 more than its 54th term. So that means that number an is equal to 132 more than its 54th term. So first find the 54th term. Three plus 53 into 15 minus 3, that is 12. 3 plus 636, 639 is the 54th term. Now in this add 132 because it is a required number is bigger, more than 132. So an is equal to 132 plus 639, 771. Now find the position of this term. Seven 71 minus 3, 768 divided by 12 is equal to n minus 1. 64 plus 1 is equal to n. 66. 11th completed. I need to explain 12th one.
Yes, ma'am. 11th turn.
Navneet
Yes, ma'am,
late.
completed.
Navneet joined late today.
Ma'am, I had a little problem connecting.
Everyone completed 11th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining students, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
We're all done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then see, this is important question asked for MCQs also. So here what they have given. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term of both the APs difference is 100. What is the difference between 1000th term? Now remember a simple thing. If you see a simple example I'm giving you. If you see two APs, a simple APs, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. हर्ष उसका स्पीकर नहीं चल रहा 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and the second one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. There are two APs. They are completely different APs. No term is matching. But what is the common thing in that? The difference is 2. Difference of both the APs is 2. So now check out what is the difference between the what is the difference between the first terms? What is the difference between first terms?
1.
1
First term minus this one, second AP,
minus 1.
minus 1. Then 3 minus 4,
-1.
5 minus 6, 7 minus 8
-1.
minus 1. 9 minus 10 is also minus 1. That means the difference between any position terms of both the APs is always same. When there are two APs, but the difference between the two different APs, they don't have anything common. The numbers are not common. But if the common difference between every term is same, this differences 2 and here also differences 2. If they have the same difference, then difference between any position terms is always equal, and that is equal to the difference of their first terms. The difference of first term here is -1. So difference between any position terms is always equal. So now can you guess the answer of this question then?
Ma'am, 100.
100.
100.
Clear? So, but how to show that one? This funda should be clear because this question is asked for MCQs many times. Instead of these numbers, they have been given first terms of both the APs will be given to you. And they are asking you to find out any difference. Any terms is different, 10th term, 21st term. So now, how to solve this? Two different APs, first AP and the second AP. We will take the first terms different. We cannot take A. So we will consider that as A and A dash. So first term of first AP is A, second term of first term of second AP is A dash. Or you can consider X and Y also if you want. Difference is same. And then hundredth term. So A dash and D are there, same terms. Now the difference between their hundredth term. That means A100 minus A dash 100 is equal to 100 they have given. So A100 means first term is A plus 100 minus 1 which is 99D minus A dash 100 that is the second AP. So first term is A dash plus 100 minus 1 that is 99 is equal to 100. So now find the difference. So it is simplify A plus 99D minus A dash minus 99D is equal to 100. So minus 99 plus 99D get cancelled. A minus A dash is equal to 100. So difference of first terms is 100. Now they are asking the difference of thousandth term. So A 1000 minus A dash 1000 is equal to A plus 999D minus A dash plus 999D. So open the bracket. A plus 999D minus A dash minus 999D. So this and this one get cancelled. So your answer is A minus A dash. So what is the value of A minus A dash?
100.
100. So difference of thousandth term is also 100. Here,
Ma'am, they ask MCQ, should we show all the working?
no, you are not showing. Only you are showing the first one. An minus, you only show that, you can show only for an minus A dash n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D minus A dash plus n minus 1 D. Common difference is same, so D we are taking. Simplify this. A plus ND minus D minus A dash minus ND plus D. So minus ND plus D, this get cancelled. So your answer is A minus A dash. So any terms of difference is equal to difference of first terms. And in the MCQ, first terms will be given. So find out the difference.
Can we just directly mark the MCQ correct answer?
Some this one you have to show some calculations part what you are doing. That solving that what you have done the uh, rough part. So that you have to show in
Okay.
the normal book only. So it is not needed to write each and every formula there. Whatever the part to solve that answer, whatever the extra rough calculation you have done, you have to do that one in main page, main answer sheet. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So three-digit number which are divisible by 7, you have to form the AP of it first.
Ma'am, it's 105.
First term is 105, then 112, okay, 119, so on. How to find out the last term?
Ma'am, AN.
We don't know. We have to find n we don't have. So n we have to calculate. That means a and should be known to us.
Ma'am, and
So your last three-digit number is?
Ma'am, 999 divided by 7, the remainder you subtract.
Yes, right. So 999 divided with 7. There will be some remainder. So then remainder subtract. 7 ones are 29, 7 fours are 28, 19, 7 twos are 14, remainder is 5. 5 is the remainder. So you have to subtract 5 from it. So that is 994. So 994 is a number which is divisible by 7. After 994, 7 is 1001. So which is 4-digit number. So this is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So it is 994. So position of 994, find out, that is the number of terms of this AP. And that many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7. So for finding first term also, what you do is, directly if you are not able to find out, then you have to do the first three-digit number is 7, 100, divided with 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are 28, 2 is the remainder. So subtract 2, so you will get 98. But 98 is a two-digit number, which is the last number. In that add 7, that is 105. So 105 is the first three-digit number, which is divisible by 7. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Nisarga, can you mute your mic?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
My mic was
128.
muted.
128. Ma'am, 128.
Yes, right, 128 is the answer.
ma'am.
Now the similar way, find out the next one. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250?
The previous answer is 128. Right?
Yes, right.
Ma'am, 60.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, N is 60, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
How do you for 15th one?
Nth, nth term of two APs are equal. So find the nth term. That means in terms of n, we don't have n value. In terms of n, calculate it. Nth terms, that means an of both are equal. An of one AP, A dash n, that is nth term of second AP, are equal. So find out an is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash. To substitute the values for the first AP, and this is the second AP. So first AP, this is first term is 63 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 65 minus 63, that is 2, which is equal to, first term is 3 for the second AP. What is the difference?
7.
7.
7. Simplify. 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. Simplify. 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61 minus 5n is equal to minus 65, minus cancel, n is equal to 65 by 5, that is 13. The 13th term of both the APs are equal.
Got it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
14th one, I'm not able to solve, ma'am.
What happened? What is the AP you got?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
don't
the,
even.
ma'am, the answer is 60, right?
Yes, right.
Ma'am, I didn't even get it.
Why? How many multiples of 4 lie between these two terms? Between 10 and 250. So what is the first term? Which is divisible by multiple of 4 means that number should be divisible by 4.
12.
Ma'am, 4, 10, 16.
12, 16, 20, so on. The last term is
250. No,
248.
242. 242.
248. Find the position of 248.
Ma'am,
Yes.
16th one is the AP 4, 10, 16, 22, etc.
16th one.
16th one.
It's from 4, 10, 16.
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
From 153, 17th one.
7th one. Okay. What you got?
Correct, ma'am?
What you got?
150, 153.
No. Yeah. Calculating 20th term from the last. What you'll do?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
substituted A with 15 one. I substituted A with 253.
ma'am, but aren't you supposed to reverse the AP?
Yes.
So won't the first term be 253?
Yes, right.
So ma'am, the difference will be -5.
Yeah.
I'm not getting the answer, ma'am.
What you got?
I'm running close to the 95. Sorry, 253 divided by 95.
Will be divided by 20th term. That means n is, you know. You have to calculate an.
Yes, ma'am, that one
Why you are
only.
dividing
Ma'am,
then?
is it 158?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
223.
Why you are
158.
dividing?
Oh, it's just
223.
bracket. Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, is it 158?
158. Yes, 158 is the answer.
I was off by 1.
Hmm?
I didn't do a calculation properly, ma'am.
Yeah, check. How, what you have done?
Ma'am, I took A as 253, D as -5.
Yes, then on 20th term. So 253 plus 19 into -5. So
Yes,
253
ma'am.
minus 95.
253, yeah. Wow, yeah. Wait, what? 253
253
plus
minus 95. 19 into 5 minus 5 is minus
Oh
95.
yeah, yeah, yes, sure, yes, sure.
Then,
Ma'am, is the answer 158?
yes, it is 158.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the subtracting, I divided it.
Yeah, that's what I told you. From where the division will come. Yes, Neha, you want to tell something?
16th one, what's the AP?
What you got?
I got 14, 15, 16, 17.
No, 410. D is 6 is coming. Value of D is 6.
I got D as 1. I don't know how.
What is the formula you have taken?
X is equal to A plus 40 and X plus 2 is equal to A plus 60.
X plus. Here
Okay,
AP4's third term is 16.
okay, ma'am.
So A3 is equal to 16, no?
Yes, ma'am. I took it as wrong. Instead of 12, I took it as 2.
A7 is equal to A5 plus 12.
Ma'am, 18th and what are the first three terms?
What you got?
Minus 13, minus 8, and minus 3.
Yes, right.
One I found D, ma'am. Now, how do I find A?
So fill in the formula. Say any one of the formula.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Forgot. Sorry, ma'am.
Is it minus 13, minus 8, and minus 3?
Yes, right.
Ma'am, minus 13, minus 8, and minus 3.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, 19th one is 1995A.
1995. And then what is the value of this N?
7,000. Oh,
2006.
No, position, N value.
I didn't find that yet.
2006.
From where you got 1995?
2006. 19th question.
2000. No, N they are asking N.
N is 11.
Yeah, 11, that's right.
What's up?
Yeah.
Ma'am, but asking the year, right? Which year is income?
Yeah, 11th year.
Okay, so not 2006. 11th year.
Where you reached? Other students?
And 20th one.
19th one, ma'am. It's the 11th.
19th one, ma'am.
19th, 11th one.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 20th one is 10.
20th one is 10. Yes.
How to do the 19th one?
Ma'am, is it 21? Correct. 20th one.
1.
10, ma'am. Yeah.
You can write. 19th one, 5,000 is the annual salary first. Every year it is incremented by 200. So difference is 200. Which year the amount will be 7,000. That means AN is 7,000. Find N.
On 19th one, N is 11.
Yes. Last class I have given homework, no? What?
No, ma'am.
No homework. Completed 20 questions. Nivedya, Prisha, Rose, Sneha, have you finished?
Completed.
Ma'am, 20,000 is it to 10?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Nisarga, Niranjana, have you finished? Nivedya,
Ma'am, I'm doing 20th question.
Deep, Pete, have you finished? Amok, Namit,
20th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the last after 20th question, -3. The
yeah.
first negative term is -3.
Which term of the AP? That is the position of that you have to calculate.
32nd.
32nd.
Correct, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, this negative term answers 32.
Yeah. The second term.
Yes, ma'am, 32nd.
Ma'am, 20th one is N10.
Yes, right. Completed 20 questions, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question, which term of an AP is first negative term? So that means you have to calculate the first negative term. That is, and then you have to calculate for that n value of that term. So, Anand, have you done?
Ma'am, I calculated a term next towards the zero.
So we have to consider n should be negative. That means it should be less than 0. Right? That term should be less than 0 because then only it will be a negative term. So find the value of n, range of n for that negative terms. So an is a plus n minus 1 into b less than 0. A is 121 plus n minus 1. What is the difference? 117 minus 121, that is minus 4, less than 0. So 121 minus 4n plus 4 less than 0. 125 minus 4n will be less than 0. Then calculate the value of n. 125 less than 4n minus 4n will transfer on RHS, it will become 4n. So n greater than 124 5 by 4. So n greater than 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 0.25. So n is greater than 31.25. So value of n should be greater. So that is what is n just next after. That means any term after this number, that is n greater than 31.25, all the numbers are negative terms. So out of that, the first negative term, that is just after this number, whichever the term it is. So just after 31.25, which is the whole number,
32.
32. So n is equal to 32 is the first negative number. And after 32 onwards, every term is negative. They're asking the first one, so lowest value of n, that is 32, first negative term. So n is equal to 32 is the first negative term. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's write down.
Ma'am, I proved the next question. I'm not sure whether it's correct.
I'll solve it. RHS, LHS separately you have to solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, ninth term of an AP is 0. Ninth term is 0. Prove that 29th term is double the 19th term. Is double the 19th term. Sorry. Yeah, that's right. So this is, we have to prove. Only this information is given. So what is this A9 means? A plus 8D is equal to 0. So A is equal to minus 8D. So this is the equation we got it. Now here RHS and LHS we have to solve separately. LHS A29. That means A plus 28D. A is minus 8D. We have A value as minus 8D plus 28D, which is 20th D. 20D is the value of A29. We can't get the value of D because any information we don't have. Now RHS twice of A19. That means 2 into bracket A plus 18D. 2 into bracket minus 8D plus 18D. So 2 into 10D, which is 20D. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll stop maths here. ID Sharma 5.4. First 15 questions you have to solve. First 15 mains you have to finish. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.